3-step stamina review. How does 3-step stamina work? There are 3 steps to develop sexual stamina, and 3 bonus recipes to guide you in your quest to have sex like a porn star. The whole package is 118 pages and should take you 1 to 2 hours to read, but 4 weeks to practice alone and with a partner. The central focus of the book is the rock-hard and long-lasting penis, but it also mentions the importance of emotional bonding and chemistry. There is a fair explanation of the erection process, along with the details needed to understand the following exercises. So if that's something that interests you, then watching this short review is a must. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below, so click the link below to learn more. Before getting to the actual steps, Aaron boosts morale by explaining why anyone can become a sex god with a little practice and guidance. He gives balanced explanations and warnings on other methods to boost one's erections like pumps and chemicals, Viagra and testosterone therapy. Step 1: Penis exercises. This is the fun part. Inspired by Kegel exercises, Aaron explains in clear detail the exercises he created to take control of the penis muscles, the pelvic muscles and the smooth muscles inside the penis. He confesses that all men in the porn industry need these routines to keep their job maker up. He also explains the difference between muscle groups and which is important to maintain erections and delay ejaculation. There is also a specific exercise to build up the smooth muscles, which worked very well for him. The program is 4 weeks long, 5 days per week, 15 to 20 minutes per day. After which regular exercise is key, or the muscles will weaken, just like regular workouts. Kegels can be done anywhere you are waiting or doing purposeless work, but the smooth muscle exercise requires your hands and a little privacy. Click the link below for more detail now. Step 2: Eat like a porn star. Aaron explains that, like top athletes, porn stars are given diets to follow to maximize their global and sexual health. He lists important nutrients to boost testosterone levels. For example, should you eat more or less protein? Where are the healthy fats? How much zinc should be in your diet or oral supplements? He gives the juice recipe he drinks 2 to 3 times a week to effectively boost his own sexual health, although he admits it tastes awful. Click the link in the description below right now. Step 3: Think like a porn star. Anxiety about performance will hinder future performance, it's a vicious cycle. Aaron was stuck in it while filming his first porn movie. With the mental tricks he gives, there's a way to break this loop. Feelings and behaviors are shaped by what we think, so shifting the focus of attention on something pleasant can help. Bonus: blowjob and anal sex persuasion. Bonus: squirting orgasm blueprint. Bonus: sex position tricks. For more information, click the link below.